welcome back to my channel. So this is a look I'm going to be showing you guys today. I got a suggestion to do something like cherry blossoms, and this is not the look I agreed on with my friend, like specifically, but I really like how it came out because it looks very spring, very fresh, and I'm really happy with it. So if you want to see how I got this, well, how I did this, please keep watching. I'm just going to start with priming my face with my Soap and Glory primer. Nothing new with my eyebrows. I'm taking my ABH Dipbrow Pomade in the color Ebony. To clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer in the color Honey. Wait, no, the color's actually Neutralizer. To get started on my eyes, I'm going to be using my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using the pink on the top row, and that's going to be my transition color. Going back into that palette, I'm going to be using a deeper pink, and this is the color I'm going to be using to create my halo effect. Doing a halo eye is a lot easier than trying to explain how to do it, but I'll try. So the main idea of a halo eye is that you want the middle of your lid to be in contrast with the surrounding parts. You can either start from your outer V or by your tear ducts, but you're going to choose your color and pack it onto your whole lid except for the middle. And a good scale of how big your halo should be is the size of your pupil. Still using that same palette, I'm going to be going in with the white, and I'm putting that into the middle of my lid. Now I'm picking up a little more of that deeper pink and just deepening my crease, but nothing too crazy. But I'm also taking the brush and not putting any more, no more product on it after I do the crease, and I'm just blending in the halo with the rest of the lid. Now this is a little extraness that you don't have to do, but I'm taking my NYX Professionals Vivid Brights eyeliner in the color Vivid Petal, and I'm doing a little cut crease liner on top of my halo. To start my face off, I'm going to be going in with my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation in the color 107, and I'm just going to use my beauty sponge to put that all over my face. For concealing and brightening up my face, I'm going to be using that same Maybelline long name concealer as before. So to contour, I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Contour Cream compact thing. It comes with like a highlight and contour cream, and they come in different colors, and I'm pretty sure I have the medium one, so I'm just going to be taking the contour cream, obviously, and contouring my face. Since I cream contoured, I'm not setting my face until after I've blended out, but I'm using my RCMA No Color powder, and I don't actually bake this time. I probably let it sit for a minute or two, and then I just wipe it off. For highlight, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics and Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, and I'm going to be using the rose gold highlight on the bottom. I completely forgot that my Carli Bybel palette had that white highlighter. So when I opened it, I knew I wanted to put that on top of my halo just because my white looked a little dull and I knew that would give it a little extra pop to, like, you know, pop. 9.9 times out of 10 I don't use blush, but I really felt like this look needed it, so I'm going into my blush palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using this pink that looked a lot like the color that I use on my lid, just so you know, do a little matchy. Back to the eyes, I'm going to go back into that 35B palette, and I'm going to take this bright lime green and I'm putting that on my lash line. For my inner tear ducts, I'm going to go into my Moonchild palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using Lucky Clover. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Better Than False Lashes Extreme Mascara. For liner, I'm going to be using the Lorac Front of the Line Pro Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm not using this eyeliner to get a wing look. I'm just using it so that my lashes have a fuller look without me having to put on really heavy falsies. I applied my falsies off camera, but I'm wearing the Ardell Studio Effects Demi Wispies. I probably should have cleaned off my lips before I put any other product on them, but I didn't, so whatever. I'm using the Buxom Full On Lip Polish in the color Sugar. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and continue to, you know, let me know what you guys want to see. Comment, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.